Mugshot, look like a demon in my mugshot. Run down, I get your plug shot. Virgo, thugs out, I done brought my thugs out. Mugshot, look like a demon in my mugshot. Run down, I get your plug shot. Taurus 9, bitch, these slugs hot, never close, never close. At the drug shop, capping and flogging, they ain't living like that. Hitting the licks, all I been got sidetracked. Run off with your sack, tax on the buyback. Drum on the stick, extendo like hi-hat. Ain't taking me serious, got pistol smack. You know ain't no fear in us, get jack if you lack. Rah-rah, we ain't hearing that, Mac on my lap. 556 came here with that, I can't take these back. Basing 25, no Vaseline, fuck the feds. Stressing about this time, got me feeling for the meds. Now I'm scheming and you know that I stick them for the bread. Treat the ops like your bitch, drop this dick up on they head. Call that how I bop, then I glide and I spread. Running down on me, 2, 2, 3, take off your leg. Your feet in the air, your shit hang like a dread. Cold-blooded, also cut, bitch, I freeze when I bled. Jacking, trapping, pistol packing, as if police don't mind. College boy playing ball and lost it all, seen both sides. Cause I been with them wolves, got some posts on your side. Lifting iron with the team, know what I mean, them 4-5. Mugshot, look like a demon in my mugshot. Run down, I get your plug shot. Taurus 9, bitch, these slugs hot, never close, never close. At the drug shop. Been in the struggle since I was born. Ain't come to fuck around, this ain't no porn. I'm a demon, I just ain't around my horn. Chasing my green is what I adore. Fucking your bitch, all on your floor. She on her knees, she on the floor. If you take mine, I'ma even the score. Ayy, get a nigga chopped up like I was Slater. Ayy, send shots at a hater. Ooh, pop a perk, turn into percolator. Ayy, slide on a nigga like Terminator. Ayy, got a bitch who comes from Barbados. Baby, do whatever I say so. I'm fiending for all of my queso. Give a fuck, nigga. A brand new Halo. Ay. Gotta get the cash any way possible. Got a white hoe doing tricks and obstacles. I like to call her Kim Possible. Pop a perk, nigga, I feel unstoppable. Beat the back end, then I'm out of yours. Yo, bitch, love playing my audio.